Hello everyone, welcome to Philonomics, where I, your friend and your tutor, helps you understand the world of economics and finance in the most simplest of ways. We are starting with the Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education, popularly known as the Maharashtra State Board syllabus. We are starting with class 11. The subject will be economics. We are starting with chapter 1, the basic concepts of economics. As the name suggests, this chapter will be an introduction of the most basic concepts of economics, like its meanings, its definition, what are the branches of economics, and much more. Let us start with the most basic question first. What is economics? So, economics is a study of how society. What is a society? Society is you and me. Society is organization. Society is firms, right? Uses its limited resources, often money over here, to produce, distribute, and consume goods as well as services. Okay, so this is the most basic definition of economics available to you. That is a study of how society uses its limited resources to produce, distribute, and consume goods and services. Now, economics is also called as a social science. Why is it called a social science? इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ने के लिए तो आर्ट्स लेना पड़ता है, राइट, 10th के बाद. Then why is economics called a social science? Let's see. To understand economics as a social science, we need to first understand what is science. Science is a systematic body of knowledge. Now, science is divided into two types. One is natural science and the second one is social science. Natural science is also called as universal science or exact science. It is universally accepted. Now, why is it universally accepted? Because the laws can be tested empirically. Now, maths, chemistry, physics, biology, these subjects will remain same everywhere in the world. If you take 2 into 2 equals to 4, that is going to remain same in India as well as in any other part of the country. Whereas social science, now social science studies human behavior. Human behavior can also be abstract. So social science is also called as behavioral studies or abstract studies. Now these include subjects like psychology and sociology. Psychology studies the mental state of human behavior and sociology studies the social state of human behavior. Now, economics is called as a social science because economics studies human behavior in the economy or the market. In the next video, we'll cover the definitions of economics.